Alright guys, to begin this wash and go curly combo, I'm going to start off on freshly washed hair. Then I'll be applying the Bodyworks All Natural Leave-In Conditioner. This conditioner has great slip and super moisturizing. So once I finish applying the leave-in, I'm going to follow up with the Bodyworks Natural Curl Defining Cream, Coconut Shea. I'm going to use this to define my curls. This product is actually supposed to be humidity resistant. It's very moisturizing, as you can see, and it's definitely defining my curls. But I'm going to stop talking about the products for now because I will be talking about these products a little more at the end of this video. So I'm just going to really just stop rambling and let you enjoy the rest of these clips. Alright guys, so this is a pretty good combo. Like using this leave-in with this curl defining cream really, as you can see, gave me great results. My hair feels really soft right now. My hair was a bit crunchy, just a little crunchy, and it's still a little crunchy now. But as you've seen, I added coconut oil to my hair, so it kind of softened it up a bit. But like I said, I don't really mind the crunch because I know that this will probably allow my hair to last a decent amount of time before I have to refresh my curls. So yeah, it's just a slight crunch, but it really feels nice and soft. It's softer now, so that's not a big deal. Also, I wanted to mention, guys, too, that these two products, I noticed they also, I don't know if it's just me, you guys let me know what you think, but I feel like these products also, when my hair was wet yesterday, it just seemed like these products kind of stretched my curls, like it kind of didn't shrink my curls as much. I feel like I got a little more hang time, and this is day one curls, so my hair seems to be a bit more elongated than normal. These products do not mention that they're supposed to prevent shrinkage or elongate the curls, so I don't know, but for some reason it just feels like these products, it just appears that these products actually do that, even though it doesn't mention it on the bottles. It does appear like my hair is more stretched using these products versus using some of my other products. So alright guys, so that completes this video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.